What are some reasons a shower backs up? Most emergency plumbing calls are drainage issues. Showers lead the charge. Let's uncover why yours might be acting up. Internal clogs are the most common reason for backed up pipes. Hair and soap scum stick together, weaving a trap that snags even more gunk. Bath products can be another contributor to internal clogs. Scent bombs, oils, glitter, they're great for you, but they're a nightmare for pipes. Oils harden as they cool, and undissolved bits build up in pipes. Foreign objects can also be a cause of drainage issues and clogs. Tiny toys, razor bits, stray jewelry, anything that slips past the grate becomes an anchor for hair and buildup. But your issue could in fact be an external problem. Sometimes it's not the shower at all, but a jam farther down the main line. When the main sewer clogs, everything backs up. Tree roots can be a major issue for pipes. Tree roots chase moisture and invade cracks. Old cast iron or clay pipes can rot or collapse, suddenly cutting flow entirely. Installation and venting can unknowingly cause blockages, so make sure you check a few places for blockages. Wastewater lines should slope about 1/4 inch per foot, so gravity carries water and solids away. If they don't slope properly, they could affect the flow of wastewater and cause a blockage. So here are some early warning signs to look out for as a homeowner. Slow drains, strange gurgles, or multiple fixtures acting up mean a bigger problem's brewing. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, you should call an experienced plumber to diagnose the issue immediately. A little routine care, strain your drain, clear the pop-up, inspect vents, goes a long way, and if that puddle returns, call a pro.